INKT Stock Technical Analysis. Hey traders, welcome back. Today, we're diving into INKT stock on Nasdaq from April 16th to July 14th, 2025. Buckle up, this one's a rollercoaster. General overview and trend. INKT traded in a tight range of 6.66 to 8.38 from April 16th to July 10th, with closes mostly between 7.03 and 7.83. Then, on July 11th, it exploded from 7.73 to a high of 76.00, closing at 64.17. July 14th saw a pullback, opening at 42.01, hitting 52.50, and closing at 40.61. This suggests a massive breakout, likely news-driven, followed by consolidation. Price and volume from April 16th close 7.83 to July 10th. INKT's price fluctuated between 6.66 and 8.38, with volumes from 879 to 253,854 shares, peak on June 25. July 11th saw a staggering 47.86 million shares traded, closing at 64.17, high 76.00. July 14th had 5.05 million shares, closing at 40.61, high 52.50, VWAP 52.01. The volume spike signals a major catalyst, possibly a short squeeze. Moving averages. The 5-day SMA 7.18 to 25.40 and EMA 7.18 to 31.08 trailed the July 11th spike, but adjusted on July 14th. SMA 25.40, EMA 31.08. The 20-day SMA 7.37 to 11.85 and EMA 7.33 to 15.40 lagged, indicating the rapid move. The gap between short and long-term averages suggests potential mean reversion. Technical indicators. Momentum. RSI 14 hit 98.13 on July 11th, dropping to 68.63 on July 14th, still elevated. Williams R14 improved from minus 17.10 to minus 51.14, easing overbought pressure. Momentum 10 was 56.72, and ROC 14 was 442.91, reflecting extreme bullishness. Trend. MACD turned sharply bullish at 6.15, with a histogram of 4.21. ADX 14, at 29.67, confirms a strong trend. Arun oscillator at 35.71 is bullish but cautious. Volatility. Bollinger Bands were shattered on July 11th, with the price far above the upper band, 34.97 on July 14th. ATR 14 surged to 7.10, showing high volatility. Volume. OBV skyrocketed to 43.06 million, confirming buying pressure. Chaikin oscillator at 11.14 million on July 14th suggests accumulation. Oscillator. Stochastic K5 72.51 and MFI 14 92.31 indicate strong buying but potential overbought conditions. Linear regression. TSF 14 at 31.17 on July 14th, below the 40.61 close, suggests the spike may be event-driven, with a pullback likely. Next trading day opening price prediction with a 40.61 close, VWAP at 52.01, and RSI cooling. Expect a July 15th opening between 38.00 to 42.00. High volume supports bulls, but overbought signals point to consolidation. Support and resistance. Support is at 33.62, July 14th low, and 20.20, July 11th low. Resistance is at 52.50, July 14th high, and 76.00, July 11th high. The price is above prior range highs, but below the peak, suggesting a pause. Intraday ATR-based high and low ATR 14 at 7.10 projects a July 15th range of 33.51 to 47.71. Volatility remains elevated. Possible scenarios bullish. Sustained volume could push INKT to 50.00 to 60.00. Bearish. Overbought conditions may drop it to 33.62 or 20.20. Neutral. Consolidation at 38.00 to 42.00 is likely. I lean neutral due to the rapid spike and pullback. Additional consideration: the 47.86 million share volume on July the 11th and 5.05 million on July 14th scream a major event or squeeze. News and volume trends will dictate the next move. Conclusion: INKT's surge from 7.73 to 76.00 and pullback to 40.61 is wild, driven by massive volume. Indicators show strength, but hint at overbought risks. Watch 38.00 to 42.00 for July 15th, with support at 33.62 and resistance at 52.50. Stay tuned for catalysts. What's your take? Comment, like, and subscribe for more.